Hey guys, wanted to drop a quick video this morning to get you guys up to speed on the things that we're working on the back end. Just released an update today and have been releasing updates kind of behind the scenes. Some of the behind the scenes things are to uh, make these displays more presentable on mobile devices, particularly the iPhone, and that is continuing to be a work in progress. But we've also made updates to the camera to make sure it's not giving you a selfie image when scanning in QR codes to send Bitcoin to. So that's resolved. And in this update that was just released today, the door is now open to support more wallets from a single user or household. Okay, so prior to today's update, you had a maximum of 4 wallets across the entire ecosystem. Meaning, if you were on high yield BTC, you might have 2 wallets out there. And then if you were on drip to BTC, if you wanted to add wallets out there, the max that you can have is 2. Well, guys, now I have updated the system so that you can have up to 4 wallets on each platform. So you can have up to 4 wallets on the high yield BTC, and you can have up to 4 wallets on drip to BTC. And this will continue on as we continue to release new white labels. Anytime a new white label comes out, you'll be able to go out there and register for yet another 4 wallets. Now, there are some significant benefits to this from an end user standpoint. And the reason this was developed in the first place to have those limits is to prevent multi-wallet strategies and abuse to the system by having too many wallets from a single user. Okay, so we are making this update now because as we continue to expand and release more white labels, this opens the door for you to create new wallets on the new white label site. And as we sell these sites, that is like more income coming into the ecosystem and the vault, which is going to pay out faster conversions. So all of you guys that are already in the ecosystem, you would want to register for those wallets because again, it's going to be a win-win because more money will be coming into the system and that will help distribute even more or higher conversion rates out to multiple wallets. Okay. If you got any questions on that, leave them in the comments. But I have gone ahead and updated the documentation in the awareness guide. So if you guys come down, click on the awareness guide, this has now been updated. Let's see the registration limits. Okay. So this has now been updated. We strongly advise against registering for more than 4 wallets per site. It's per site now, guys. So this means you can now register for up to 4 wallets on both high yield BTC, another 4 wallets on drip to BTC, and another 4 wallets on every other licensed website that supports our yield generating Bitcoin wallets. All right, so you guys that have wanted to go out there and create more wallets beyond the 4, you are now able to do so. Just keep in mind, you don't want more than 4 on high yield BTC and you don't want more than 4 on drip to BTC. Those are the only 2 that are out right now. So when new white label sites are released, that information will be made broadcast or will be broadcasted to everyone. All right. There are some additional updates that are in the works, guys. Right now, in the midst of all of the updates I'm doing, we are doing some search engine optimization on the digital crypto solution site because that is going to be directing traffic to these Bitcoin wallets. So there are key things that we were doing in that area. We have a search engine optimization company working on that. They've been working on that since November. So we may start seeing some organic traffic from that as soon as March. Also, in regards to search engine optimization and to support the Digital Crypto Solutions site. This is just a teaser, guys, that I'm going to give to you. But there's another update I am working on for Digital Crypto Solutions, and that is a crypto forum. I'm going to give you a quick look at it here. And this is what it's going to look like, essentially. So for those of you in the community, it's going to be a key factor for all of you. We're going to just call this a Bitcoin community bank, because essentially that's what these wallets are. It's a centralized place where it's just distributing all of the assets back to the end users. And this right here is going to be designated for a community of members that are using the Bitcoin wallet. So you guys will be able to use this particular forum to meet other users of the platform, strictly for you guys to enjoy, collab with each other, find out who each other are, establish friendships, partnerships, or whatever the case is. And there are going to be tons of other forums specific to Bitcoin, specific to altcoins, specific to NFTs or ETFs or whatever the case is. So this is just the beginning. I have not released this forum yet because I still have numerous forums to go through, some coding to do on the back end. While I didn't code this whole thing, there is some coding I have to do that's going to benefit you guys significantly and also benefit the system. And there will also be advertising features. Here's an example up here where, as we continue to grow this forum and you guys have this participation, that's going to generate a lot more interest for people to want to come out and advertise. And the cool part about the advertisement aspect is that the advertisement dollars that comes into this site go straight into the vault to pay out these high yields from the wallet. So there are a lot of things we have going on, and yet another new update, which I will not disclose at this point, but I hope to have that done within a week's time, and we'll be releasing that information to you guys once it's done. And it's going to put a lot of things on autopilot to help generate more revenue for the vault. All right, now in regards to this forum also, I wanted to mention, if you have any ideas or concepts that you want listed in this forum, drop a message in the comments to let me know so I can have that added. Also, if you are interested in being an administrator of this website or of the forum, I'm definitely looking for some people that I can trust to come in and actually follow the forum rules and to make sure the posts that are being placed out here comply with that. So if you want to be a participant of that, let me know. Will there be any monetary gains from doing that? Well, we'll see. We'll see as the site continues to grow in popularity and from the advertisements that we start getting. Certainly, we can take some of those advertising dollars and which is going to be payable in Bitcoin, and we'll just drop those Bitcoin in your pocket. Okay, so that is a possibility in the future for sure. All right, outside of that, let's get to flapjacks. I just want to give a shout out to this because Drip Coach still doing his thing. We check out the charts, guys, and it's still running upward. So this thing continues to look promising. Coach is doing, as he said, he's buying up the token himself. He's promoting it like crazy. And it's nothing but a thing for you guys to head out there, check out his X or whatever the case is, and just what do you do? Retweet it. Retweet all the tweets that he's putting out there. And shout out to Redeem On, man. I seeing the effort you putting in, bruh, both on X and referring other people through the referral program. Man, you're doing a great job. So big ups to you. Appreciate that. And in regards to promoting, guys, if you are using the Bitcoin wallets, remember there is a referral option here. Okay, so if you go down, check out dashboard, you'll see this refer a friend. This has several different options where you can pull it up and have someone scan in a QR code that'll track your particular wallet. Or if you want to send an email to a friend, you can click on that, click on this icon here, or you can upload a list of email addresses and have that sent out globally. But this key feature right here, this is one I kind of use somewhat regularly. And in order to track, you can give it specific names. Let's say I'm in the gym and I meet this guy named Tim. I can say Tim at the gym or something like that. I create a QR code for that. And this right here helps me track what this guy does or is doing, right? So this is my poor man's wallet. I really don't use this wallet while I'm at the gym because I don't give gifts from this one. But if I was to come in and scan this QR code, which I'm doing right now, right? I scan this in, it's going to take me straight to the high yield BTC site. And once I did that, bam, there it is there saying, hey, the campaign name is Tim at the gym. Someone just scanned it in and voila. You know, it tells you, hey, it's been accessed. It'll let you know if they registered for it, and it'll also let you know if they funded it. Now, when these things happen, you guys get extra boost points as far as the credit conversion. So you guys remember that. And also, you can use this as like a Facebook. You know, if you have a Facebook account, just come out here and to better track how your QR code is doing, just come out here, give it another name. Hey, the campaign name is Facebook. Just copy this image, paste it in your Facebook, and say, hey, go check out this wallet. And that right there, guys, will help boost your conversion rates. All right. Now, this has already been out there for a while, but I did want to drop it out there for you just so that you are aware and your participation, just like Coach is saying, hey, you guys let people know. As people become aware, you're going to see this type of activity. The same thing for these wallets, guys. It's not about more money coming in. It's about the transactions that happen or occur within the platform, because that is what feeds the conversion rates. And if you want to see faster conversion rates, this is what you do. Just share the wallet, let people know what your wallet is doing, and give them that information. And it's really that easy. I do it often when I'm at the gym. I talk to people about cryptos and Bitcoin, and I let them know about this wallet, scan this in, and bam. I typically will send them a little bit of Bitcoin, like $10, $20 in Bitcoin or something like that. So if you're that generous, feel free to do so. And we have some things that are coming in later updates that's going to help piggyback off of those efforts. All right. Okay, guys, I think that's all I got for you in this video. Got any comments, questions, referrals, whatever the case is, leave them in the comments below, and we will holler on the next one. Peace out.